Hey, this is Marcus. It's going to be a quick video regarding Every Door Direct Mail. Just going to have to show you, just going to show you exactly how it works, and it can work anywhere in any city, anywhere in the country. This is all through the United States Postal Service. It's called Every Door Direct Mail, short for EDDM. And literally, you can actually, like I'm currently right now, I'm just going to put in a search for where I am. I'm currently in Fairfax, Virginia. If I wanted to put together a card here in Fairfax, Virginia, and let me get this out of the way. Okay. So right now I'm currently in Fairfax, Virginia. I don't necessarily know this area, but if I wanted to drop in and if I lived in this area and I wanted to do a card, I would literally look for 5,000 homes within the area, then contact the businesses that were in the area that wanted to reach those people in the area and be able to send out a postcard directly to them. So what I would do is I would go, this is where I am currently right now. So I would go and pick the areas that are around them. So when I hover over here, you can see up top there, they have the route number, they have the number of residential and businesses, they have the total number, then they have the age approximately. Sometimes the information is okay there and sometimes not. Sometimes also you have the size of the households and the average income of the households as well. And then they give you a cost of how much it costs just to mail those pieces. And that's something that we can go over in further videos as well. But to give you this overall view, if I wanted to just mark it in this area right here, I can go out 2 miles, I can go out 5 miles, but there's going to be plenty for what we're trying to do. We're trying to get to either 5,000 or 10,000 residents in that area so that we can have a very marketable product to give to the people that are marketing with you. So that they can reach as many households as they can. So to give you an example of how this works, this is where I am. If I wanted to just do this area alone, there's going to be 544 residential and 4 businesses. And then I can go out further and hit a few more areas. And as the number is coming up over here on how much how many mail pieces there are and how much the cost to mail them are. As of this date, this is the price right now, but it will increase slightly, 2 cents more per piece through the United States Postal Service because they are increasing rates sometime next week. So if I want to make sure I expand out to get to this 5,000, right now I'm 3,500, 43, and let's just say we get somewhere around. Right now we're over. So either way we're going to be over. But I really want to hit this whole area, so I'm going to, so when it takes me out of, like the rest of them were all in the same post office, and this one goes outside of that post office, so they're sending me a warning, just let me know that it's outside that post office, so I can close that out, and then I can, this was outside another post office as well. So in this one, I'm going to try and get up to 10,000 pieces in this area. So now we have, let's see, another. Right now we're 83. See if we can't hit this. 89. Very close. Oh, I unselected it. Click selected. Right now this close to 10,000 pieces, 98.11. So we're going to go ahead and just, we'll look at this table. And it looks like I've selected all of them in that area, which gave me 9,811. These are the average incomes in this area. I'll be able to show this to potential marketers that are marketing with me. And these are the number of businesses that are in this area. So if I wanted to take out the businesses, I could and just do the residential. These are also potential partners that would want to get their brand out to these residential customers. And literally with this one right here, you can charge anywhere from $600 to $1,000 6 cents up to 10 cents per piece, and be able to get these out to these customers. The pricing points are somewhere between 5,000 and 10,000. But then you just put these together. You put them with a postcard, something like what we have. I'll show you one that we put together already. We have quite a few that we're working on right now, but this is just an example. We use Canva for everything, as far as our business goes. But what I did was in my area, I contacted the local businesses that paid for my advertising, and then I had my own and I put my business out there, which I'm a real estate broker as well. And that's one of the reasons why we target real estate brokers and real estate agents in our product here. But but these businesses pay for this card. And we're continually doing that so that we can continually put our brand out in the area that we're working in. But like I said, you can do this in any area whatsoever. No matter where you are, no matter where you live, there is an Every Door direct mail campaign that you can run in your area. So if you want to learn more about it, you want us to help you through it, you can start by joining up at the www.thepostcardagent.com, and we can actually work with you and help you build your brand as well. One note that I'm going to continue to say: this is not a get rich scheme. This is not a send out one mailer and you're going to blow up the world and get a ton of leads. It's about showing up every single day in the mailboxes, or every single month in the mailboxes, and actually getting people to consistently see your name, consistently see your brand, and then they will consistently think about you when they're looking for that thing that they're trying to do. So consistently put it out, have your partners, and then make it work. So, all right. Get started with us at thepostcardagent.com. Like I said, I am a local real estate broker as well, and I'll help you through marketing your brand. Thanks a lot.